I usually come see properties. I usually take my time because I don't want to miss anything, But this one here, I was hoping, because I knew going in that this guy called me. I knew going in that he had, well, from what he told me, he had $83,000 in taxes that he owed. Okay. Um, my hopes was to either, hey, possibly randomly be able to negotiate um, with the city or with the county of Racine that, hey, I'm new owner. Is there a way that I can pay a monthly payment to them or whatever? And really what could happen is I make that monthly payment, but really in 3 or 4 months, the house would have been sold already. And I just pay off the taxes from that profit end. All right. Or make it livable and have the tenants really paying the taxes. At the end of the day, the payment that I agree with the county. All right. So he told me 83,000, but ended up being 103,000 that I looked up on public website. So it was a little game changer, extra $20,000. Unless he was planning on bringing 20,000 to the closing table, that's the only way I can see it being done as far as in that situation. All right, but there's nothing owed on the house, and I guess according to him, he did a bankruptcy, but kind of find out he still owned that house. So I don't know if the bankruptcy was included in that. The house was included in the bankruptcy, or what. I don't know the situation, but I looked on the city's website. He still owned it, even he thought he had it in bankruptcy. Yeah, he did 9 years ago, but he still owned it. So, however that happens, I'm not sure. I don't deal with bankruptcies too much. I usually deal with straight offers and what needs to be done. Let's run a title search. Okay, clear title. Let's take care of these liens, your mortgage, all that good stuff. All right, we're good to go. Let's go. And that'd be that. And I never really deal with bankruptcies too much. But either way, he reached out to me through Google. So I'm on Google page as well. Locust Investments, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Or I think it might be Cash Buyers or something. He found me for sure through Google. And I asked him, where did he find me? So he found me through Google. And so I went out to the property. And that was my whole goal really was, okay, hey, maybe it is a lot, that he owes on taxes, but maybe I can work something out, being optimistic at the end of the day and try to be a problem solver, as well. So go ahead and watch the video. It's going to be very short. It didn't take me long at all. And my buddy Sterling, who wants to get into real estate as well, I brought him with me. And he had his son with him too. So we all drove from Milwaukee to Racine to go look at this property. And even talking to the neighbors was like, you don't want to go in there. You don't want to go in there. There might be something dead in there. So, hey, I love a challenge. All right, watch the video.
2-car garage.
Check it out. Let me see how these boards look first. So, it's gonna need, definitely need some work. Oh yeah, I got the drill for this.
Oh, you got to drill it to get in there.
Mm-hmm. You got the owner's information on the door. Yeah, there's gonna be some work up top. Yeah, owner said he was just here cutting the grass. Oh yeah, you can tell there's gonna be some issues. Even how the green is right there by that back door.
Yeah, how that shit growing right in there.
Yeah. Got tarp up top, gonna have some issues with the roof.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh yeah, that's bad.
Bad as
I don't know, like it's in there vacant. Probably in them corners, you're probably gonna have some pest issues. Birds or squirrels or something probably in them corners coming into the house. So it's gonna be a lot. It's gonna need more work for that. Yeah. Yeah, that's one over there. So as y'all can see, this place probably needs Jesus. It's gonna need Jesus probably. Like I said, we're gonna go in here and see what's going on and see how it look, and kind of take it from there. So she seen mold coming in. Oh yeah, it's probably pretty bad in there then. Yeah. Yeah, you have to. Yeah, you got to get that the gutted and remediation and everything. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I mean, he's like I said, I know, like I said, he's been vacant for a while. I don't know, the condition of the inside. I'm really just coming to check it out and kind of see what's going on, and then pretty much give him a call later on today and see if something can be done. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. I got the tools already. I'm actually about to go through there and I'm about to drill in and go in right now. And so we'll see what comes running out or come running at us. Yeah. Yeah, I got a couple masks in there, so I'm definitely gonna wear them. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. So I just came to check it out. He submitted some information to me through my website, and I told him I'd come check it out. So I came here to Racine first, and then I got to go to Kenosha look at another house. So yeah, it's a pretty busy day. So I just took it out Sunday, came out and came to see what was going on. Yeah, he's always tagging along with us. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. All right, thank you. Yeah, yeah. So they just said they need Jesus. Basically, same thing I'm saying. So I'm in my car right now, about to grab some tools to get ready to go inside and see what's going on the inside. But she was like, "Yeah, you should wear a mask." These are just two neighbors that's sitting right over here, a couple doors down. It's like, yeah, you need to wear some masks. There's possible squatters in there. So we'll see what's up. So we finally hit through the door. Got it off. As you can see, it was boarded up. I'm about to go in here and see what's going on.
Look at the mold.
So yeah,
No mold.
it's a lot going on. This damn near you walk in and walk right back out. You can't even see nothing. Already look like that. So you got webs, you got the floor leaning. Probably dog crap right here.
Yeah, watch where you step.
Yeah, you damn near walk in and walk right back out. We ain't really got to be here, to be honest. If you want to take some videos, then we can.
This floor feels horrible.
Yeah, this is worse right here too.
Look where you step.
You want some chips? There's some chips in here.
I want to be
Oh nah, yeah, we good, bro.
You can't even get in here.
Look at this. You see how this is collapsing?
Yeah.
Bro, I ain't trying to fall through no floor.
That floor is coming down.
Yeah, we good. Watch out for the dog poop. We gone.
Oh, yeah.
Might as well board this bad bag back up. So yeah, as y'all can see, we went to the house. We just left from the house. We boarded it back up. It really wasn't that what we thought it was gonna be. I was hoping really to do a situation to where the guy pretty much called me. This is the house right here. All right. So we boarded it back up. That's the main door there. The guy pretty much called me from Google. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, man. You walk in there, got through the front door, dog poop, caved in floors. I mean, everything. It was so much going on in this house. So at the end of the day, I wouldn't put myself or my people in that situation, man. So when we seen that floor, I was like, yeah, I don't really want to end up in somebody else's basement and be stuck with a broken leg. Or anything, you know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, man, you don't know what's in that house, but we did come to the house. That's it right there. But It's no go for me. This is probably one of the shortest ones I've seen as far as going to a house viewing. After all the deals that I've done, it's not really where it's at. But all right, check in. So clearly you can see the floor was collapsing. All right, in the kitchen, and I wouldn't go in there anyways. Let alone having two other individuals with me that I'm risking their lives or their health, if you want to say. So as soon as I realized that, and I don't know if you can see it in the video, you can rewind it if you want to, but there's once you come from the living room area and touch into the kitchen, there's a slope, like a slant, a quick slant. I keep saying quick slant. So I used to play wide receiver in college and semi-pro football, but there's a slant, um, a good drop. I don't know how many inches that was. I just knew once I touched it with my feet, and I felt the floor wiggle and shake. I'm like, yeah, it's time for me to go. I'm not gonna try to go through nobody's floor and break a leg or anything and be stuck in the Saw movie with a broken leg, and you know, could have went real bad for me. So I pretty much left that alone, and of course I didn't move forward on that house. The house needed Jesus, like I said before in the video. The house needed Jesus, and I said talk to the neighbors. They were, I mean, helpful. I mean, they of course know everything, and that's one thing about the neighborhoods too is if you talk to the neighbors, they'll tell you every single thing that's going on with the house, everything, and before you even go in there or the situation or you know, they watch everything. And them neighbors, they said they've been there for 20, 30 plus years easily, and I was just going there with my mask up. I'm sure it was mold and mildew in there. The roof was bad. Um, it seemed like somebody really just picked up and left. And I'm almost sure it was squatters in there too, but probably not at the time that we came in. Um, because the majority of times they're not there throughout the day. They usually don't come in until like 11:30, 12 o'clock at night. But they, I'm sure they was in there, probably multiple. Um, Neighbors said the animals was dead in there. It was all kind of stuff that I'm sure I probably would have seen if I would have went further. But hey, shortest walkthrough I ever had. Um, on to the next one. All right, follow my videos, watch them. I got a training course actually too. Y'all probably can't see it because I got it private. So um, yeah, you can't see it. So if y'all want to know more about it, then just inbox me or um, message me or something and say, hey, look, I want the information, I want the course, and then I kind of break it down from there with y'all, about how to get into it, how I got my very first deal. I put about maybe 200 or 300 bucks into it and made 8 grand. So yeah, I can teach y'all guys. I don't worry about as far as the cost wise. I can teach y'all how to do it, or at least show y'all how to do it. But of course, the one-on-one mentoring is a little different, thing. All right, but yeah. So y'all stay safe, stay healthy, stay dangerous. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, we out. Locust Investments. All right.